Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I'm going to show you quickly the process for changing out a bad filter gauge. You can see here it's not reading any pressure. As far as simplicity goes, this is about a 1 out of 10 as far as difficulty, so let's go ahead and show you the parts that are needed. So here's a small list of supplies you need to get this job done. You of course need the filter gauge. A side little note, I do enjoy the ones with the sliding bezel to help you know when you need to clean the filter. Some plumber's tape, some Teflon tape, crescent wrench. The first thing we want to do is relieve the pressure out of the system, so that way nothing bad happens when you go to thread this off. And also, right here there's a little lug you can put the crescent wrench on if it becomes a bear to get off without being able to twist it and you don't want to just break it off in your hands. So just go ahead and start slowly turning this counterclockwise till it comes out. And then also you can clean the threads right here before you go to thread on the new one. Alright guys, so here we are with wrapping the gauge in the Teflon tape. A quick tip is to wrap this counterclockwise, because that way as you tighten the gauge on clockwise, it will help tighten the Teflon tape instead of bunching it up and pulling it off the thread. So all we really need is a good 3 to 4 wraps, and that should suffice. So I'm pretty much done. And now we're going to go ahead and thread it on, so let's go ahead and get that started. So here we are. After you get the threads all nice and cleaned out, all we have to do is thread it on clockwise. Now it's really important to make sure you don't go too far down. And there you go, it's nice and solidly on there. I wouldn't go any tighter than that. Alright, so we're good to go. We got pressure on the system now, and it's always cool to just make sure you line the start up there after you clean the filter, and no leaks, so we are good to go. So that's how you change out a filter gauge. Have a great day, everyone.